Hello, you're welcome to eQuest Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can move your files around using Python. And for that, we're going to be using our Notepad editor. So, okay, first of all, we have to arrange our test file. So, I already created a folder here for that. So, I'm going to come here, move this back to the desktop because this is the file we intend to move. So this folder is now empty. So what we're going to be doing in this lesson is moving the age file, this Excel file here called age, to our destination folder. So just go ahead and open Notepad. Okay, create a new file, and for this task we're going to be using two modules in Python. The first is the OS module. This OS module gives us access to our system's operating system. It allows us to carry out some operating system functions. So, and then we're also going to be using the shoot-u. This is a utility. It's part of the Python standard utility libraries that can help us perform high-level utility tasks like moving files, copying files, and so forth. So go ahead and say shoot-u, and then we specify the path to our file. Okay, for that we have to go to, since all the files are in the desktop, we just open our command prompt. Getting this right. Open the command prompt. Shift right click, just copy this, copy that, and paste here. Alright, so now basically the shoot-u module, the move method in the shoot-u module takes two arguments. The first one is the source, where the file is coming from, the location of the file you intend to move, and then the destination, meaning the location to which you want to move the file. So we're going to do create two variables, source and source. We're going to join some paths, so os.path.join, right, and then path and the name of the file, which obviously is age, dot the extension of an Excel file xlsx, and then destination os.path.join. Alright, so path, the same desktop, and then we have to specify the folder, which from here, this is destination, which is still empty by the way. So just go ahead and put that in there. Destination. Now, just before I continue, this os.path.join is just a way of joining paths together intelligently. Python does in such a way that if the first path is something like this, like we can see from here, all it just does is add a backward slash here, so that you can successfully and intelligently add these two together. And then since this one is the last argument here, it just adds it and omits the backward slash. So, and here's where the main work starts. So we just call our variable dest. This should give us this should store the final path of the file, the path of the final location of the file. So we just do shoot-u, which is the module we imported from earlier, dot move, shoot-u dot move, and then our source, the first argument, then destination, second argument. So want to print the final destination just to be sure our task was successful. So there's that. See if there's any error. All right, I think we're good to go. So save this. I'm gonna call this utility dot py. Save that to the desktop. So I'll just go to my command prompt. Since it's already open on the desktop, just say python utility dot py and then run that. Alright, we're having a syntax error. The Unicode escape, codec can't decode bytes in position 2-3. I think the problem is coming from all of these escape characters here. So we just have to convert this to a raw string and see what we get. Alright, so python utility dot py, and that, there we go, that was successful. So we can still go ahead and manually check. Okay, the file is no longer here, meaning it's been moved to somewhere. So let's see. Wow, that was successful. So you can think about different ways to utilize this this functionality in Python. Imagine for instance, most of us, we just download movies and leave them in the download folder. My download folder is very cluttered. Here different kinds of files. You can think about a way to automatically move these files to different folders, so you don't have to do all of that manually, because that can be time consuming. So just think about different uses for this. This comes in handy in different scenarios. Okay, I'll basically just refactor the code anyhow you want. Play around with the code. Thank you very much for watching our video. You can subscribe to our channel if you want to see short videos like this in the future. Thank you.